DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are finally making over my dirty and stained outdoor rug. It really needed it. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over my outdoor rug. The reason we coat the fabric with so many layers of the polyacrylic is so that you can wash it off if it gets dirty, and it'll stay looking brand new for a very long time. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.